Hi everybody, welcome back. This is another day, another video in our Christmas series of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world, and today we are making half moon cookies from Iceland. These cookies are traditional Icelandic cookies that are especially popular at Christmas, and they have a fruit filling inside. Welcome to today's video, and let's see what you're working with. This is what you're going to use for our half moon cookie recipe: all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, cardamom and salt, vanilla, egg yolk, cold butter, lekvar. That's all you're going to use today. Oh, egg white with some water. We are going to combine our flour with our powdered sugar, baking powder, cardamom and salt. Then we mix this. We put in our cold butter. We're going to mix the egg yolk and the vanilla. We put it into our flour mixture. Our dough is ready, so we'll cover it and let it rest for a few minutes, not for 15 minutes. We're not going to put it in the fridge, we just leave it here for 15 minutes. We're back. Flour our surface. Then we divide our dough into two. We're going to roll our dough into a circle. This is a circle. This is an oval, it's not a circle. I've floured my cookie cutter, so I'll cut. That. Now it's time to put our filling.
Oh come Emmanuel, and ransom captive
But